Hello, I'm Cindy Hunter from State College of Florida, and today we're talking to Hank Hubert from Trinity Charities on SCF on campus. Hank, can you tell us a little bit about Trinity Charities?
Well, I'd be happy to do that, and thank you very much for inviting me, Cindy, and thank you, State College of Florida and METV. I'm glad to be here because I want to talk about Trinity Charities. It's very dear to me, and we have a fundraising coming up, so we can talk about that as well.
Okay.
Our mission is to provide support, education, intervention, and prevention for those people who are HIV positive or have AIDS, and for those people in crisis. We serve both Sarasota and Manatee counties.
How is Trinity Charities primarily funded? Well,
as I said, we do have a fundraiser coming up. The most important thing for people to remember from this conversation, for me anyway, is December 1st on a Saturday. The AIDS Walk, which is an annual walk for us, is going to be at New College campus. It begins at 8 o'clock in the morning. We'll probably have somewhere between 400 and 500 walkers between students in college, in high schools, and from the general public. And we're looking forward to it and for everyone's support for that.
Oh, wow. How can people register for this walk?
It's quite easy to do that. They simply go to trinitycharities.org, www.trinitycharities.org.
And they can register, they can walk in and register the day of the event, or do
well,
they
need to register? Well, they can do that. We prefer they register ahead of time so we have some kind of an idea of the numbers. We do provide refreshments and entertainment, so we like to know how many people we're going to be greeting and having fun with. It's a good idea to register ahead of time. It saves time when you get there. You can stay up a little later at night and watch TV and get up a little later in the morning. Come
Good.
Over. Sure.
Tell me more about this AIDS Walk on December the 1st.
Well, the walk starts at New College, and it's a beautiful campus. This one is too for you, but it's a beautiful college. And then what we do is we go across the pedestrian bridge over 41 into the museum district. It's a beautiful area. It's a 2-mile walk. It's very safe, and people like to walk in that neighborhood.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about the money that you use for the project and stuff. And how is it used for the walk?
Sometimes I tell people that 3.5 years ago I got cancer. It kind of stuns people that I would say that, number one, and it's also kind of a stunning thing for the person who gets cancer. What do you do? What's going to happen to you? And we have a program also for groups of people who have HIV/AIDS, and if somebody first finds out they're diagnosed with HIV and AIDS, they have a support group to go to. They can discuss difficult issues like disease. They can discuss difficult issues such as social issues as well, because of course if they have AIDS, they're being looked at differently, at least they think they are. And so they're getting help from somebody who's already been down that road.
Yes, yes. Well, what else does Trinity Charities do?
Well, we also have a very active food pantry, and we have an emergency fund. And both of those serve the general public, not just people with AIDS. And of course, there's a greater need for that now in these times, and you'll even hear about and read in the papers that they're running out of food at food pantries, and we're no exception. We also are low on funds for emergency funds because we have greater need and not as much funds. So we're trying to get more money for those two programs.
Okay. With this AIDS Walk coming up, can you use volunteers? How can the community help besides donating and besides being in the walk? Are there other things that the community can do?
Absolutely. We love to have volunteers from the public, and all they need to do is call our office or go to our website. They'll find the information there. And what they can do is help us with the walkers as they step off. They can help us organize or register. We need people to greet the walkers when they come back so that they are enthusiastic and know that they're welcomed and that we're happy that they're there. We have refreshments when you have need for that. And the old standbys of getting started and cleaning up. So we can always use that.
I understand that. Now, I also understand that you could use like cases of bottled water, fruit, this type for the walkers and stuff. Is that true?
Whatever we can get given to us in kind for donations, we can save the money we do get for the services we provide. So absolutely, that's very important.
Okay.
anything like drinks or food or that kind of a thing that people would like, snacks, even snack bars that you can get, the healthy snacks that are good and available in stores. So yes, they can absolutely help us with that.
Well, what about corporate sponsors? Do you have those?
We do have some corporate sponsors, and we're very happy to have those, and some of them have been with us before and others are new. But Macy's has been with us on a regular basis, and we're happy to have them with us again. The IDS, which is the Interior Design Society of Sarasota, is also one of our sponsors, and they have been great to us in the past 2 years. Also, the Sarasota AIDS Theater Project is one of our sponsors. Manatee Glens, Logistic Asset Corporation, Freedom Assist Technology, Tropicana, a name very familiar to people, Salty Dog, Manatee County Rural Health Services, and Comprehensive Care Clinic. We need more corporate donors, and of course the good thing there is it gives them visibility. It shows the public they have a concern for those people that have a need, and they can demonstrate it to the 400 or 500 people that are walking that day.
Good. Now, if you want to become a corporate sponsor, again, what do they need to do?
They can go to our website, again, www.trinitycharities.org.
Okay.
Or they can call our office at 355-0847, a local number, 355-0847.
And what are your office hours in case people want to call?
9 to 5, Monday through Thursday.
Okay, all righty.
Thank you.
Now, I know that there's other programs that Trinity Charity does along with the AIDS Walk. One of them is called the Healthy PWA. Can you tell me what PWA is?
Yes, HPWA means Healthy Persons with AIDS.
Okay.
And today, you can be a healthy person with AIDS. And the program helps people who belong to this group. We help them with nutrition. We help them with a good lifestyle so that they can obviously survive in a much better climate. And we also improve their health through supplements that aids them in their nutrition, because in their antivirals they're taking or any other diet of drugs they're taking, they need as much help to boost their system to be able to withstand this, and this is what we help them with. So if they come to us, we'll make sure they get healthy and stay healthy.
Oh, good. I know at the college that we're planning on being involved in this walk, the
And
students,
we're very
the
happy.
faculty and stuff.
Sorry.
So again, I just want everybody to know that this is a walk coming up. We like to be involved in the walks and stuff to just show our support. So with Trinity Charities helping with the walk and sponsoring and putting it on, we're very happy for this to be a part of all of this too.
Well, we thank you for that.
You're
we really
welcome.
appreciate your time and your effort and your commitment to us.
All right. Hank, I want to thank you today for joining us and telling us about Trinity Charities and about the AIDS Walk that's coming up on December the 1st. If you want to find out more information about the Charity Walk, the AIDS Walk on December the 1st, contact Trinity Charities at www.trinitycharities.org. And we'll see you next time on the next edition of SCF on Campus.